10th Jumadal Ula, Urus Mubarak of Imam Abu Bakr bin Hussein Bayhaqi Shafi'i alayhi rahmatullahi al-qawi. Muhaddith Islam Imam Abu Bakr Ahmad bin Hussein Bayhaqi Shafi'i alayhi rahmatullahi al-qawi was born in Sha'ban al-Mu'azzam in 384 Hijri in Bayhaq, the suburbs of Nishapur, a province of Khurasan, Iran. He received his primary education and training under the wise supervision of the glorious scholars and mashayikh, that is, spiritual guides of his time. He gained much blessings and knowledge from celebrated scholars and jurists of fiqh, jurisprudence. The prominent name of Shaykhul Muhaddithin Abu Abdullah Imam Hakim rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi is well known amongst his teachers. He was a man of excellence and marvels. He was an unparalleled personality of his time with unique traits, and was a true advocate and promoter of knowledge, and was very famous in the Arab and non-Arab world, and thus became a distinguished figure in the areas of knowledge and intellect. He dedicated his days and nights to serve the deen. The only aim of his life was to publicize and spread knowledge. He fulfilled the demands of the true seekers of knowledge throughout his life by teaching, delivering sermons, preaching, writing and compiling books. Amongst his countless and precious books, Shu'abul Iman, As-Sunanul Kubra lil Bayhaqi, and Dalailun Nubuwah are his most memorable works. His services will stay twinkling in the sky of knowledge till the day of judgment. Muhaddith Islam Imam Abu Bakr Ahmad bin Hussein Bayhaqi Shafi'i alayhi rahmatullahi al-qawi passed away on the 10th of Jumad al-Ula in 458 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Khusro Jard, suburbs of Nishapur, a province of Khurasan, Iran. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।